स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः प्रियछात्राः अद्य अष्टम्यां कक्षायां चतुर्दशं पाठं पठामः। पाठस्य नाम आर्यभटः इति अस्ति। My dear students, welcome to the online classes. In the class 8 today we are going to start the new lesson. The name of the lesson is Aryabhatah. Let us have the introduction about the Aryabhatah. भारतवर्ष की अमूल्य निधि है ज्ञान विज्ञान की सुदीर्घ परंपरा। इस परंपरा को संपोषित किया प्रबुद्ध मनीषियों ने। इन्हीं मनीषियों में अग्रगण्य थे आर्यभट्ट। दशमलव पद्धति आदि के प्रारंभिक प्रयोक्ता आर्यभट्ट ने गणित को नई दिशा दी। इन्हें एवं इनके प्रवर्तित सिद्धांतों को तत्कालीन रूढ़िवादियों का विरोध झेलना पड़ा। वस्तुतः गणित को विज्ञान बनाने वाले तथा गणितीय गणना पद्धति के द्वारा आकाशीय पिंडों की गति का प्रवर्तन करने वाले ये प्रथम आचार्य थे। आचार्य आर्यभट्ट के इसी वैदुष्य का उद्घाटन प्रस्तुत पाठ में है। As all of you know, many are having the confusion between the astrology and the astronomy. Aryabhatha was the astronomer who used to calculate the real distance between the planets. So from the earth to the different planets he has calculated the distance. Many people think that Aryabhatha was an astrologer. No. Astrology is the science which tells you, predicts what will happen in the future. According to the positions of the planets, they predict what will happen. But Aryabhatha was an astronomer. Astronomy means it is related to the mathematics, calculations, what is the distance between the earth and the other planets, like that. So you have to name Aryabhatha as an astronomer, not the astrologer, because he himself doesn't believe in the astrology. That's what we come to know from this story. He has written the books like Aryabhatiyam. So this is a mathematical book. We will learn about the first mathematician, one of the greatest mathematicians of India, one of the greatest astronomers of India we are going to study. पूर्व दिशायाम् उदेति सूर्यः पश्चिम दिशायां च अस्तं गच्छति इति दृश्यते हि लोके. Every day we feel that, we see that sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Purva dishayam suryaha udeti. Sun rises in the east. Paschima dishayancha astam gacchati. He sets in the west. Iti drishyate hi loke. This is what we see in the world. Param na anena avabodhyamasti. Yet Suryo Gatishilaha. By this, we should not come to the conclusion, Avabodhyam, you should not understand that sun is moving. Yet Suryaha Gatishilaha. You should not come to the conclusion that sun is moving from east to the west. Suryaha Achalaha. Prithvicha Chala. Surya Achalaha. The sun is constant. Prithvi cha chala. The earth is rotating. Ya swakiye akshe ghurnati. Iti samprati susthapitaha siddhantaha. The theory which is very well established now at present, that the geocentric theory was there earlier. Now the sun-centric. Sun is in the center, earth rotates. So this is the theory, all of you know it because of the modern science. Suryaha achalaha. So sun doesn't move. Prithvi cha chala. The earth rotates, it moves. Ya swakirye akshe ghurnati, which rotates on its orbit. Aksha means orbit. The earth moves in its own orbit, rotates. Ghurnati, घूमता है. इति सांप्रतम, at present. सुस्थापितः, very well established. सिद्धांतः, the theory. सिद्धांतोऽयं प्राथम्येन येन प्रवर्तितः स आसीत् महान् गणितज्ञः ज्योतिर्विच्चा आर्यभटः. This theory, first one who proposed this theory was the great mathematician and the astronomer Aryabhatah. पृथिवी स्थिरा वर्तते इति परंपरया प्रचलिता रूढ़िः तेन प्रत्यादिष्टा. The theory, geocentric theory was there, which was very well established in the past, which was very famous. पृथिवी स्थिरा, earth was constant. इति परंपरया प्रचलिता रूढ़िः, traditionally people accepted that earth is constant. Tena pratyadishta, by him, by the Aryabhata, it is overruled. He has made the new theories to overrule the geocentric theories. Tena udahrutam, he gives a wonderful example. Yat gatishilayam naukayam upavishtaha manavaha naukam sthiram anubhavati अन्यांच padarthan gatishilan avagachati. The man, one who is moving in the moving ship, he feels that ship is constant, ship is not moving. All other things around him are moving. Many times you may feel when you are traveling in the bus or the train that all the trees are running back. It happens to us, but actually the bus or the train in which we are sitting, that vehicle is moving, other things are not moving. He gives the same example. When a man sits on the ship, he feels that ship is very constant and all the things are moving. Anyan cha padarthan gatishilan avagachati. He feels that all other things are moving. Evameva gatishilayam prithiviyam avastitah manavaha prithivim stiram anubhavati. In the same way, the man who is living in the earth, which is moving, he feels that earth is constant. Suryadigrahancha gatishilan veti. He feels the sun and other planets are rotating. षट सप्तत्यधिक चतुष्शततमे ख्रीष्टाब्दे. See, we will read the numbers from the back. षट सप्तति अधिक चतुष्शततमे ख्रीष्टाब्दे. It is given षट सप्तति अधिक षट सप्तत्यधिक चतुष्शततमे वर्षे आर्यभटः जन्म लब्धवान् इति तेनैव विरचिते आर्यभटीयम् इत्यस्मिन् ग्रन्थे उल्लिखितम्. Aryabhata was born in 1476. It is, we will come to know about this by the book Aryabhatiyam, which is written by himself. He writes about himself in the book Aryabhatiyam that he was born in 476. ग्रंथोऽयं तेन त्रयोविंशतितमे वयसि विरचितः. So Aryabhatiyam is the book which is written by Aryabhata when he was just त्रयोविंशतितमे वर्षे वयसि. त्रयोविंशतिः, 23 years old. When he was just 23 years old, he has written the very proud book, that is Aryabhatiyam. Nowadays, completing the education itself very difficult by 23. but he was in such a scholar that he has written Aryabhatiyam when he was just 23 years old. ऐतिहासिकस्रोतोभिः ज्ञायते यत् पाटलिपुत्रं निकषा आर्यभटस्य वेधशाला आसीत्. By the historical resources, ऐतिहासिकस्रोतोभिः, from the historical resources we come to know gnayate, we come to know yet that Pataliputram Nikasha, near the Pataliputra means at present Patna in the Bihar, nearby the Patna, Aryabhatasya Vedashala Asit, he had a laboratory. Vedashala means laboratory. He has established one laboratory near the Patna. And anena idam anumiyate, by that we can guess, we can assume that yat tasya karma bhumihi Pataliputrameva asit, his workplace. Karma bhumihi means workplace. His workplace was the Patna, because he had laboratory established nearby Patna, so we can assume that he had his Patna was his working place. Aryabhatasya yogadanam ganita jyotisha sambaddham vartate. The contribution of Aryabhata is related with the mathematics of the ganita jyotisha, astronomy. यत्र संख्यानाम आकलनम महत्वम आददाति. So in the astronomy, collecting of the numbers, numerical expertise is very much needed for the astronomer. आर्यभटः फलित ज्योतिष्य शास्त्रे न विश्वसिति स्म. Aryabhatha, he himself was not believing in the astrology. As I told you, the difference between astrology and astronomy. गणितीय पद्धत्या कृतम आकलनम आधृत्य एव तेन प्रतिपादितम. By all the calculations with the mathematical theories, he had made the all the calculations, he has collected the data, and he tells us, he pratipaditam, he tells us yet grahane rahu ketu namakau danavo nasti karanam. Earlier people used to believe that during the eclipse there are two demons are there. As I was telling you the story of Amruta Mathana last time when I was telling about coffee, is it, there were two demons, Rahu and Ketu. They sat in the line of gods and they also had the nectar. When it was happening, Vishnu has cut their head. So the head part has become Rahu and the body part has become Ketu. So that's why they will come and they will swallow the sun and the moon during the eclipse. It was the belief. These two are the demons which these two demons will swallow the sun and the moon and during the eclipses, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Like that people were believing, but Aryabhatta has made this theory wrong, and he has told that with all the perfect calculations, he is telling that these two demons are not reason for the eclipse. तत्र तु सूर्य चंद्र पृथ्वी इति त्रीणि एव कारणानि. There are three reasons. One is the earth, another one is the sun and the moon. Suryaha, Chandraha, Prithvi iti trini karanani. Sun, moon and the earth. These three are the reasons for the eclipse. सूर्यं परितः भ्रमन्त्याः पृथिव्याः चन्द्रस्य परिक्रामापतेन परितः भ्रमन्त्याः पृथिव्याः चन्द्रस्य परिक्रमापथेन संयोगात् ग्रहणं भवति. Suryam paritaha brahmantyaha. Around the sun, the earth is rotating. Chandrasya parikrama patena. When the moon comes in between the earth and the sun, grahanam bhavati. The eclipse take place. यदा पृथिव्याः छायापातेन चन्द्रस्य प्रकाशः अवरुध्यते तदा चन्द्रग्रहणं भवति. When earth's shade falls on the moon and moon doesn't get the light, then it happens the lunar eclipse. तथैव पृथ्वी सूर्ययोः मध्ये समागतस्य पृथ्वी सूर्ययोः मध्ये समागतस्य चन्द्रस्य छायापातेन सूर्यग्रहणं भवति. In the same way, in between the earth and the sun, when the moon comes and the moon shade falls on the earth, then it takes the solar eclipse. It happens solar eclipse. This is the theory which is proposed by Aryabhatah. But as we know, the history speaks that समाजे नूतनानां विचाराणां स्वीकरणे प्रायः सामान्यजनाः काठिन्यम् अनुभवन्ति. When the new things are proposed in the society, general public feel it very difficult to accept. Any new thing will come, people feel it very difficult. Is it not? The government has introduced the digitalization. People had so much difficulty to accept it. Like that, anything new things will come, people feel it very difficult to accept. So when Aryabhata was proposing these theories, normal people felt it very difficult to accept. भारतीय ज्योतिषशास्त्रे तथैव आर्यभटस्यापि विरोधः अभवत्. In the field of Indian astronomy, the even people offended virodha, they offended the theories of the Aryabhata. Tiraskritam, they rejected. तस्य सिद्धांताः उपेक्षिताः. His all theories were rejected, उपेक्षिताः. They have neglected the theories of Aryabhata. सः पंडितं मन्यानाम् उपहासपात्रं जातः. Those people who are thinking themselves as the scholars, panditam manyanam, those who felt that they are scholars, they were laughing at him. Upahasaha, they had laughed at the knowledge and theory of the Aryabhata. Punarapi tasya drishtihi kalatikamini drishta. But when the time has passed, people understood beyond the ages his theory is working. His theory and the foreseen. He has foreseen beyond the ages. आधुनिकैः वैज्ञानिकैः तस्मिन् तस्य च सिद्धान्ते समादरः प्रकटितः. The modern scientists present, as you know, we have got NASA scientists and we have got our own ISRO scientists. NASA scientists and the ISRO scientists are the modern scientists. They have shown the scientific approach of the Aryabhata. They have shown lot of respect, samadharaha, in his theories as well as in his way of preparing the things. Samadharaha prakatitaha. They have shown lot of respect for the Aryabhata. अस्मात् एव कारणात् अस्माकं प्रथम उपग्रहस्य नाम आर्यभट्ट इति कृतम्. That's why Indian scientists respected him so much. That's why in respect of Aryabhata, they have named the first satellite of India, the first satellite which India produced, they named it after Aryabhata. So it is a general knowledge. You can always quote that the name of the first Indian satellite is Aryabhatha. वस्तुतः भारतीयायाः गणितपरम्परायाः अथ च विज्ञानपरम्परायाः असौ एकः शिखरपुरुषः आसीत्. In the field, in the stream of mathematics as well as in the science, Aryabhatha stands very tall in the stream. That's why we must respect the theories, scientific theories which Aryabhatha has proposed. This is the lesson. I hope all of you understood it very well. So let us salute the scientific and mathematical approach of the Aryabhatha. Let us respect his theories.